Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making shrimp fried rice. For our ingredients, we have green onions, red onions, green bell pepper. We have diced garlic cloves. We have peas, and we have diced carrots. We also have oyster sauce. We have fish seasoning, white pepper, soy sauce, bean sprouts, and white rice. And here's our shrimp. Here I'm adding my shrimp to my flat top grill. So here I added a little butter to my shrimp, and I'm just going to toss those around a little bit, getting a little sear on them. So we're just going to cook our shrimp until they are done. Here I'm adding some fish seasoning on the top. It's like seafood seasoning, but they call it fish seasoning. It has everything that seafood seasoning will have in it. So that's why I use it. So here I'm just taking the last of my shrimp off the grill. Now I'm going to mix up my sauce that I'm going to pour on top of my rice, which is sesame seed oil, about a teaspoon, and then we're going to add some soy sauce, about a tablespoon of soy sauce, and then we're going to go in with our oyster sauce. We're going to add about a tablespoon of that, and we're going to mix it up, and we're going to set it to the side. Here I'm oiling up my griddle. I'm adding on my onions. I'm going to sear those, and I'm adding on some carrots. And we're just going to sear those for a little bit. Now I'm adding in my diced garlic, and I'm going to cook that for about a minute or so. Now I'm adding in my green peas. I just added some butter. I added my Parmesan garlic butter. You could scroll back a few videos. I made that already and I put it on my channel, but I will link it down below. And we're just going to sear all this together for a couple of minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes. And now I'm going to add in some fried seasoning. This is supposed to be for fried rice. It was something that I found and I wanted to try it. So I'm going to add this to my vegetables. And now I'm going to add in my eggs. And we're just going to mix that up. We're going to cook our eggs until they are done. I'll move it around. Here I'm adding a little bit more oil. Now I'm adding my bean sprouts to the top of my vegetables. And here I'm going to add on my rice. And now I'm just mixing my rice up a little bit. And then I'm going to combine everything. And we're just going to mix it a little bit to make sure everything gets combined. Now I'm adding in the sauce that I just made with the oyster sauce, the soy sauce, and the sesame oil. And here I'm adding just a little bit more soy sauce to the top. And then we're going to mix that. And we're just going to mix it around until we get the color that we like on our fried rice. Here I'm adding a little bit of white pepper to the top of the rice. And I'm going to add a little bit more of that fish seasoning on the top. And now we're just going to continue to mix that up on top of our griddle. We're going to get it the color that we like it. I have moved my rice to the side. I'm going to add a little bit more sesame oil to my griddle. And now I'm adding back the shrimp. And I'm going to toss the shrimp around just a little bit. And now we're going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add some green onions to my shrimp fried rice. And then I'm going to toss that around a little bit. And our rice is done. I added a little green onions to the top. And we have made shrimp fried rice. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.